Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at the Tech Travel Geeks, and this is an example of gameplay of Mobile Legends on the Honor 9X Lite. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. So what I'm doing now is setting up a game of Mobile Legends on the Honor 9X Lite, and we'll see what gameplay is like with the playthrough of a classic game on this device. Now I've left all settings as default, and we'll see how this £150 smartphone performs playing Mobile Legends, which from previous comments on games and devices is something people want to see performance of before they make a consumer choice about if to buy the device or not. And as you can see, the default settings for the Honor 9X Lite are pretty high, so it seems to be in full high definition. I'm going down the middle to see how things are. I'm obviously quite a noob at this game. And I'm going to stay away from the turrets as much as possible. So that's my first turret destroyed, which is great. So I'm getting points. Despite the complexity of all this, it seems to be working well. And going down the middle route seems to be working for me. But I'm no expert of Mobile Legends. I'm just going with guidance from previous feedback of my gameplay of Mobile Legends. Now, there's quite a lot of announcements going on about what's happening in game. I'd better heal myself. Okay, I've got some fodder who will be able to take the brunt of the attack. I have no idea what a turtle is, but I hope that's a good thing. If any of you know what a turtle is in Mobile Legends, please do let me know. It would be good to find out. So apparently my character is up to level 4 now, whatever that means. Apparently I destroyed a turret, which is supposed to be one of the good things of the game. Let's see if we can destroy the base as well. No, I'm not strong enough to do that just yet. So lots going on here. The Honor 9X Lite seems to be performing well. I'm not seeing any noticeable slowdowns. I'm upgrading my character as much as I can. Let's regenerate health.
Your team destroyed a turret. Mega kill. Unstoppable.
Wow, a lot going on here.
An enemy has been slain. Double kill.
I seem to be getting at the base quite easily. And there you go. So that's a round of Mobile Legends on the Honor 9X Lite. It performs very, very well. The device doesn't seem to feel warm on the back, so the plastic back doesn't seem to have any issues with the heat there. As you can see, the animations are nice, the colours are well saturated, so the screen is excellent, and the responsiveness there in the game was very, very good. So for a £150 smartphone, lots of gaming potential there. Obviously, we have another video of gaming on the Honor 9X Lite on Call of Duty Mobile. If you watch that video, you'll see that the default settings for graphics are set to low, but gameplay is excellent. So not necessarily a bad thing for gaming. I personally prioritize gameplay over graphics as a gamer, or as someone who plays games on their mobile phone. So Honor 9X Lite seems to handle Mobile Legends very, very well. I will wrap this video up here then. And thank you for watching if you've made it this far through the video. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. And if you like this video, give us a like. If you would like to leave us any feedback or ask any questions, please do leave a comment in the comment section. But for now, I'll leave you and go back to playing Mobile Legends on the Honor 9X Lite. Thanks for watching and goodbye.